So let's review dividing with 3 digits, numbers in the hundreds place. So we're going to be using our division family table to help us out. So the first step says Dad divides. So let's go ahead and divide. That means this 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is 1, and then Mom multiplies. 1 times 4 is 4. Sister subtracts. So we're going to go ahead and subtract. And then it says brother brings down. So it's time to bring down that 8. And Rover repeat. We're going to repeat that step. Dad divides. 4 into 8. How many times can 4 go into 8? 2. So I put my 2 exactly above my 8. And then Mom multiplies. 2 is Mom. 2 times 4 is 8. I'm going to go ahead and put that down. Sister subtract. So it's time for me to subtract. Brother brings down. All the way down to the new line that I am. So I'm going to go ahead and put brother brings down. Rover repeat. I have to repeat this step again. Dad divides. 4 into 4 is 1. Mom multiplies. 1 times 4 is 4. Sister subtracts. Time for me to subtract. After sister subtract, brother brings down. There's no other brother to bring down, and there's no other Rover to repeat because that's the end. So my answer is 121. So we're going to go ahead and do this one together as well. Just want to make sure we have some real good revision. And then you will do some by yourself. So let's begin. That divides. 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is 2. Mom multiplies. That's 2 times 4 is 8. Sister subtracts. So we're going to go ahead and subtract. And then it says brother brings down. So we're going to go ahead and bring that 4 down. Rover repeat. Dad divides. 4 into 4 is 1. Mom multiplies. This 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Put it right here. Sister subtracts. Time for me to subtract that. Brother brings down. I'm going to go ahead and bring that all the way down to my new line. And then Rover repeats. So Dad divides. 4 into 4 is 1. Mom multiplies. 1 times 4 is 4. Sister subtracts. I'm going to go ahead and subtract. Brother brings down. There's nothing else to bring down and nothing to repeat. So that's my answer. So you're not going to complete these as yet. We're going to do this in a live session. Go ahead and go to the next slide. Copy them in your math book and send me a picture of that. Okay?